Welcome back, everyone. Again, this is Brian Roschetzky. Thanks everyone for watching. So happy we hit that 1,000 subscriber milestone. I know it's small, but everything counts, and it's going to be a fast growing construction process from here. Sorry, I won't do that again. Progress at Giga Texas was going pretty well. Lots of action going on. Same thing, tons of I-beams going up. And so I wanted to focus on something a little bit different on this episode. I'm glad we got some footage here coming up of the GigaPress area. We're going to have some great footage coming up of the GigaPress area. Very excited that I got that footage. Tesla stock is hovering around 837 at the moment of recording of this video, and I think it's going to be pretty volatile for a while. Just my prediction, but we'll see what happens by the end of the week. It's also amazing to see every day the building get closer and closer. So it's really interesting to see how each day we're getting a closer upfront view of this factory being built. If you look closely right here, you'll actually see my drone take off towards the factory, and you'll see my buddy Randy's drone in the background tracking across the sky. Later on, I'll show you this again as to what was going on at the time. It's also becoming more and more likely that we're seeing the Model X and S refresh. I think most people want to think that the interior will be changed with a different screen, especially a horizontal screen, and possibly a different exterior body style. So what do you think? Throw it down in the comment. Do you think the Model X and S refresh is coming? Let me know what you think. I'd love to know. It was a great day flying over Giga Texas. It was very windy though. One of the windier days that I've flown here. So sorry if you see some shake in the footage. All in all though, the drone holds up pretty well, even in this wind. It was a pretty steady wind, which helps with drone flights. I would say it's the variable winds that are the most dangerous. Now, as we fly in here to the GigaPress area, we are going to see some very interesting things going on with the foundations. I do believe there is room for more GigaPresses. We'll have to see if there is, but I am very disappointed in myself for missing these horizontal beams. Check those out. While I was gone from sunrise till that afternoon the next day, they put up all of these horizontal beams. And here, we're waiting for the cement trucks to come. You can see the cement truck in the background, and it's going to be coming around, filling in that cement filler, and as soon as that gets filled, then they'll start filling in the concrete. I wanted to leave as much footage as I could in here to give the viewers as much footage as possible. So you'll also see some extra footage here in the end that shows up close shots of the construction workers actually pouring the concrete inside the foundation. Here, my battery died, so I had to retreat back to the car to swap out the battery. And so when I returned, my buddy my battery was dying, so I had to retreat back to the car. And then I swapped out the battery, and as I was flying back, you can actually see my buddy Randy's drone flying over the Gigafactory as I reapproach the Gigafactory right here from the left. You'll see his drone in the background tracking across the sky. Really cool that we've grabbed that. And if you watch his video, you'll actually see this same clip of the guys moving the metal on the roof from his opposite angle. Really interesting stuff. I think we actually saw 3 drones flying around at the time. Not sure if it was a construction worker's drone or someone else's, but there is no shortage of drones at this factory. You can see here they're now placing vertical beams, and they've added more to that second row. I had a commenter ask earlier in my previous video asking about how they attached crazy to think that by the next time I get the drone out here, the amount that'll be changed will be crazy. They'll probably have most of that concrete finished in, and a lot of that metal will be done on that roof there. They may even have a new line done on the side. But this has been a great process filming this historic moment. Look at how big Giga Texas is. Wow. I also want to add that I am dealing with cedar fever right now. The cedar is at all-time highs of this time of the year, and it really destroys me. So sorry if the voiceovers sound bad. I'm glad I actually waited because the rain is coming, and it rained this morning, and I actually can breathe again. So just want to point that out. I'm actually sorry. I'm kind of grateful for the rain coming. I know it's going to slow down the process, but it's gonna make me breathe. So anyways, thank you for the rain, and I know these guys will work through it. I've seen them work in rain, sleet, and snow, so I'm sure a little bit of rain ain't gonna hurt them. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching again. This has been a great process, a great growing experience, and I really appreciate everyone that watches, subscribes, or shares my videos. It really helps me grow, and I really appreciate it. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.